Hey guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Ray and I am from usethebitcoin.com. And today we are going to have a quick technical analysis with Bitcoin, and we will also be talking about the different altcoins in the market. Now, if you're going to check on the 1 day time frame of Bitcoin, you would see that there is a long bearish candle here. All right. Now, that bearish candle was from 67,000 and it went down to around 60,000. So that is around 8 to 9% loss in the crypto space. And if you're going to check on the news, they said that the main reason for this one, okay, let's try to read that one. They said that the main reason for that was a whale, okay, a whale sold over 850 Bitcoin, and that is an equivalent of around $55 million. That is a lot of money already. And they said that they are having an investigation as soon as they saw some unusual activities in their market. But to be honest, guys, this has been happening for a long time now, and there is nothing new about it. And we cannot do anything about it as well. We are just the shrimp and they are the whales, and that is why people are afraid to trade in crypto because they said that it is highly manipulative now. And I agree with that. Okay, anyway, even with that retracement, Bitcoin is still intact and we are still in an uptrend. Okay, wait for a moment. I'll show you our uptrend levels. Okay, so here you go. We are still on an uptrend in a short time frame. But if you're going to look at the longer time frame, okay, here you go. We are still in an uptrend even in the longer time frame. As you can see, that is why it's still very safe to invest your money here in Bitcoin. All right, now let's remove this again. And I think we are already at the good price of Bitcoin. I mean, it is still a very good idea to cash in for Bitcoin because the prices now are very reasonable. Now, if you're going to measure Bitcoin at its Fibonacci levels, okay, there you go. We are now inside the golden levels of the Fibonacci. There you go, guys. So it is still very safe to invest your money in Bitcoin as long as the prices are still inside the Fibonacci levels. Okay. Now let's put a comment here so you would understand. Okay, our best entries would be at around 59,000 levels to around 65,000 levels. Okay. And the best exit levels would be at around this one, around the 58,000 levels. Okay, let's write that 58,000 levels. All right. Now, if the price of Bitcoin would break past this golden levels of the Fibonacci, then we might expect Bitcoin to go even deeper. So it is safe for us to just put our cut loss here in the 58,000 levels. Okay, sorry. I made a wrong spelling here. Okay, there you go. All right, so let us now go with Ethereum. And as you can see, guys, I already measured this one. I already plotted my Fibonacci levels. Okay, for this one. We are already at the Fibonacci level, so the best prices for us to enter would be at around 2,900 to around 3,300. Okay. Let's just wait for the prices to consolidate into these levels and buy as many Ethereum as you can, because chances are after the Bitcoin halving, these coins would also blow up again. All right. So those are my price prediction for Ethereum, and the best areas for us to cut our position would be at around 2,800 levels. Okay? Because as what I've said, if the prices of Ethereum would break past these golden levels of the Fibonacci, then we might expect Ethereum to go even deeper than that. All right? So just be sure to place your cut loss here. Okay? And now let's go to Solana. So for Solana, it is just the same with Ethereum. It already broke out of its short-term uptrend, okay, in these levels. There you go. But we are still safe in Solana. It is still very good to invest here in Solana because if you're going to look at its general trend, same with Bitcoin, we are still in an uptrend. Okay? Nothing to worry much about Solana. It is still very good to spend your money in Solana. And at the same time, if we are going to measure it with our Fibonacci levels, there you go. All right, so it is now sitting above the Fibonacci levels. Okay, here. So it's better to buy and position in these levels here. Okay. So the best areas for us to buy Solana would be at around 143 to 170 levels. Let's type that again. 143 to around 170 levels. Okay. It is still very safe to position here. And just place your cut loss below your box. Okay. So that's around 135 levels in Solana. Okay. Now let's try to look at some meme coin, Jupiter. If you're going to look at this coin, guys, this is quite impressive because this is just a new coin. And if you notice, the price is still very high compared to where it started. Normally, if Bitcoin were to crash, these coins would also crash drastically. But for Jupiter, it remained very strong. So let's just keep an eye on this coin. And the best entries for us is around these levels. So let's just measure this one up to this one. Okay. So let's put our golden areas of our Fibonacci. There you go. So the best areas for us to buy is around $1, or if it goes below around 0.63 dollars. Okay, so those are the best areas for us to buy Jupiter. But yeah, just try to observe this coin, and again, don't spend too much time in buying these coins, especially if these coins are below $1. But yeah, who knows what will happen in the next few months or in the next few days. All right, so those are some of the coins that are trending now. And if you're interested in reading the freshest news in the market, then be sure to subscribe to our newsletter. All right, now the link is in the description below. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you so much again for watching. This is Ray signing off.